That one big goal you are investing for, it can feel a world away. But what if you could take one small step closer to it every single day? Introducing Daily Mutual Fund SIP on PhonePe, starting at just ₹10. A simple way to build wealth one day at a time. And getting started is easy. Open PhonePe app. From there, scroll down to the mutual fund and click on Daily Mutual Fund SIP with ₹10. Now select from the recommended top picks funds by PhonePe. In a glance, you'll get an overview of the top picked funds. Enter your preferred investment amount and get started. Finally, tap Invest Now. An OTP will be sent to your registered mobile number. Type the OTP and click on Proceed. Select the bank and set Autopay and click on Done. Big investments start with small steps. Start your Daily Mutual Funds SIP on PhonePe today with just ₹10.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.